Hello and welcome to this very brief introduction to 5 assembly songs which can be found in a collection called 15 Fun Songs for Young Singers. The first song is called the Recycling Song. It's bright and it's upbeat, and yes, it's all about recycling. Then we have a thank you song which says thank you for all the wonderful things in the world. Then we have number 3, the 999 song. That talks about the emergency services and says thank you to them. Then a rather traditional harvest song, a harvest hymn, and finally the rather jazzy and slinky Lead by Example. In this song, the children ask adults to do the right thing and to lead by example. Thank you so much for listening, and to finish off, here are 5 little excerpts from each song.
Let's recycle, it's common sense. Might even save pounds and pence. Let's say thank you for the gorgeous sunrise. Think of a world without blue skies. Medics and the ambulance do good each day, caring for our health and lives in every way. The fields are for the skies.